The Perseverance rover headed to Mars, ready to ride a column of fire and smoke on its way to the red planet.
And liftoff. As the countdown to Mars continues, the perseverance of humanity launching the next generation of robotic explorers to the red planet.
And Atlas TU has gone to closed loop control, standing by for SRB.
Hey curious people, welcome to BioBytes. You have seen NASA once again launched a mission on the Mars. Let's see what is that mission, how special it is, and what is the uniqueness of this amazing mission. So, stay tuned. Friends, on the Mars, NASA has planned to send this rover called as Perseverance. Now this is like a rover, it's like a robot, it will move on the surface of the Mars, and while moving it is going to do a lot of amazing things. Before that, let's see some quick facts about this Perseverance. The first thing, launch date. It is 30 July 2020. And arrival on Mars 18 February 2021. How precise is this, right? And the best part is, what's the objective of this mission? And the objective is searching biosignatures. They are going to find some signs of the life on the Mars with the help of Perseverance. But specialty doesn't stop here. The main thing is next, and the thing is this. Yes friends, you are watching and you have watched. Yes, for the first time, what gonna happen? Drones are going to fly on the surface of the Mars. Isn't it awesome? It's like a helicopter flying on the Mars, right? And that Perseverance is going to actually have this drone, and once it lands on the Mars, the drone will come out and fly like this. I'm calling it drone, but it has got a special name, and the name is Ingenuity. Look at another fancy names, right? Ingenuity, Perseverance, both the names are selected by some school students in America. Ooh, how smart they are, right? Let's see some of the facts of Ingenuity. So guys, how many flights it is going to do? It is going to do 5 flights in the 30-day test campaign, not many more, okay? Then flight duration, that will be 3 minutes for each flight. Don't be so disappointed, friends. You know, this is just the first step. Maybe in the future there will be long flights, okay? Who knows? We can fly in the drones or helicopters on the Mars, so we don't know. And the distance covered in this particular flight will be 3 to 10 meter above the ground, and 600 meter distance in each flight will be covered. So this is all about Ingenuity, and they are really hopeful about this amazing experiment. If this has not satisfied you, then NASA has got something more, and that something more is this. Now you can clearly see one thing in this picture. This is where the Perseverance is going to launch with the help of the drone, and the drone and Perseverance will actually move. Ingenuity will actually fly, right? And while moving, Perseverance will take some samples of the rock and the soil from the Mars, and those soil and those samples are going to be stored into these sample tubes, right? But this is not the best thing. The best thing comes later on. Let's watch. So these are the places Perseverance will go, and friends, after selecting the samples, storing them in these tubes, that sample is going to send back to the Earth, for the very first time. And this is where our mission is really amazing. So something for the first time is coming back to the Earth, and this is amazing specialty of this superb mission. How is this gonna happen? This is really tough task. You might have all questions. Let's watch how exactly this is gonna happen. So let's understand how this is gonna happen. How the samples from the Mars, they will go back to the Earth for we people. Let's watch. So friends, this particular task has got lots of players in it. Number 1, you can clearly see Perseverance. Number 2, this is a rover. Number 3, this is a spacecraft. Now they together are going to work, and then they will sit, and then they will give us those samples. Let's see how. So in the first task, the Perseverance, it will work. How? Let's watch. This Perseverance smartly select the site, collect the samples like this. It will drill into the rocks, and you can see the sample is stored into the tubes. Now the second player comes. Second player actually has got a rover from European Space Agency. It will collect those samples, and those samples will be fetched into something special, and that special thing is rockets. The samples are going into this rocket, and look at this, and samples are in this rocket now, and the rocket will launch from the Mars. Wow, this is going to happen for the first time, that we are going to launch a rocket from another planet. This is amazing. And after launching, story doesn't stop there. There is something more. Watch it. The rocket is going into the orbit of the Mars. It will stay there, and in the orbit, another spacecraft is waiting for that sample which were selected by the Perseverance, and that spacecraft will fetch that sample. Let's see how. Here we go. Samples are coming to the spacecraft. They will go inside the spacecraft, and this spacecraft will send those samples back to the Earth for we people, and this is gonna happen in 2029. So keep an eye on that. Good luck to NASA for this awesome experiment. So this is all about this new mission by NASA to the Mars. It is challenging, it is interesting. And if you find it challenging, I'm going to throw one challenge to you to press the button of subscribe if you have not subscribed. If you have subscribed, then there's a like button waiting for you, and that's another challenge for you. Oh, nothing happens. If I get like, I just become happy. And I'm leaving you with amazing animation of this Perseverance mission. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Till the next video, stay curious.